We just visited Chichen Itza last week and it was incredible. We got to learn a lot about the Mayan people, and we got to check another one of the 7 wonders of the world off of our list. So here are our top tips for visiting Chichen Itza.
Tip number 1, go to another Mayan ruin first. We visited Cobá, Tulum, and Uxmal before visiting Chichen Itza. These are smaller, less impressive ruins. It allowed us to get a feel for the history and culture of the Mayans, while saving the most impressive site for last. We also found that we had more context than most visitors, and could therefore ask way better questions of our guide. So this is where the king would sit and watch the ball game.
Tip number 2, skip the organized tour. The ADO bus line in Mexico offers a super comfortable ride to Chichen Itza from all of the nearby cities. Book the earliest one-way ticket to Chichen Itza possible the day before at the nearest ADO station.
When you're finished at Chichen Itza, you'll find the little bookstore in the visitor center to book your return ticket. The bus times are all posted above the ADO ticket desk in the bookstore, so you can check out your return options when you arrive.
Scary. Tip number 3, get there early. How many times will you visit a wonder of the world? Get your butt out of bed and get the earliest bus possible. To keep your morning self accountable, book your ticket the day before so you'll be sure to wake up. You'll hate me when your alarm goes off at 5 a.m., but you'll be thanking me around noon when you've already seen the whole site and everyone else is just showing up.
So what is this bird noise that it makes?
The Quetzal bird.
Quetzal bird. All right, babe, do it. I believe in you. Tip number 4, splurge on a guide. We splurged on a private tour of the ruins. It was money well spent. In 2018, prices ranged from about 800 to 1200 pesos, or about 40 to 60 USD, depending on your language. You'll see the desk for hiring guides right after you buy your ticket at the entrance. That was me, baby.
Tip number 5, accept the big crowds and the many vendors. Since we've been in Mexico, I can't count the number of times I've heard tourists complaining about Chichen Itza. It's too crowded.
It's so touristy.
There are vendors everywhere yelling at you. Chichen Itza is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Of course it's busy and full of tourists. As to the vendors, we simply ignored them.
So before you visit, simply accept these terms. In exchange for seeing this great wonder of the world, you have to share the experience with another 15,000 to 30,000 people. You aren't going to get a selfie with Kukulkan all by yourself.
Ain't gonna happen. Instead, it'll look like this. And that's okay, because this place is still impressive as hell.
So let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome travel videos. Once again,
I'm Kayla.
And I'm Silas, wishing you luck with your upcoming adventures.
And so you get that I want it to be a selfie of us with all the people around me.
I did catch that.